Hey everybody, alright, so let's crack this soda, but let's get that out of the way. How's that look? There we go. Alright, so here we go. Oh wow. Oh wow, that was like super plastic. Alright, here we go. These are on here pretty tight. The last one was on here pretty tight too, I remember. Oh boy, and I have no fingernails. Alright, there's that. Alright, so the chase was him with his hat. And there we go. Let's try to find the feet, because the hat, I think we would tell pretty quickly. There we go, feet. Alright, here we go. The last one was kind of melted on the plastic too. Alright, here we go. As is Mad Daddy tradition, you guys see him first. There we go. Oh, does he have a hat? Opening. Oh man, I make more of these than I probably should. Alright, here we go. Alright, in 3, 2, come on, chase one. No, just a common. Alright. Alright, so let's get into this box. I'm dying to get into this one. This movie, the first one of my favorite movies of all time. Classic. I cannot wait for this to come out. Alright. Spidey, you may have to move. Yeah, I'm going to put you over here for a little bit. Put you on the side. Kind of watch. Alright. And first up, the shirt. Oh, this looks pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's next? It is the pin. Oh, Spider-Man 2099 pin. Look at that. Nice. Here we go. It is the Miles decal. I love his decal. Oh, I don't want to see the... Well, the next box is going to be Wakanda Forever. Black Panther 2. Alright. And, oh, this is different. Show you guys this. They're kind of individually wrapped. One's got a little, like, cigarette mark or something. A little burn mark, though. That's pretty... I have to take a shot of that with the phone. Alright, well, let's get them out of here and let's see how bad the pop is, right? I don't want to... There's Gwen. And I'm assuming Miles. Alright. We'll leave Gwen there for a moment. Let the suspense build a little bit. This is a nice touch. Very nice touch. Oh, that is a sweet one. Wow. Look at that. Oh, I love this one. All right. This one now. Here, show this up. See that burn. Well, let's see what it is. Is it anything? Did it go through to the pop, the sticker? Yeah, there's a little schmutz line, little ash line. That, we got Miles' decal. There's our cheat sheet, but coming soon, Black Panther 2, Wakanda Forever, and we got the common Spider-Man Noir, as well as this cool shirt. Alright, rambling is done and over. I'm just very excited. This was a very nice box, a very cool home run. Anyway, always be hunting, and remember, no matter where you go, there you are. Alright everyone, until next episode, later. And even if that, where you go, is the Spider-Verse, definitely go there, because we're going to be there, opening night. Alright, later.